In this video, we are going to learn how to create an Academy profile on the Yuno Learning website. First, we need to open the Yuno website by typing www.yunolearning.com. Once we are on the main website, we need to click on Teach on Yuno at the top, and then select the Learn More option under the Academy Owners section. On the next page, we click on the red button named Create Your Academy. Here, we need to do two things. First, enter your phone number, then choose one of your existing accounts, Google, Microsoft, or Apple, whichever you prefer. In the organization name field, we need to add the name of our academy. We can also add a short description to explain what our academy is about. The description can be between 100 to 150 words, but it's up to us how much we want to write. Next, in the industry field, we select the respective industry our academy belongs to. This could be higher education, upskilling, or if we can't find it in the list, we can choose the other option. Then, we select the number of employees and click on Next. After that, we click on Go to Dashboard. Once in the dashboard, we will see a Create Academy option on the left-hand side. Here we type the name of our academy again and select the subjects we will be teaching. After selecting the subjects, click outside of the box to close it, and then click on Submit. We can then click on Go to Dashboard again. Now we have created our academy on the Yuno Learning platform successfully.